Now finally, I'm speaking to people in Dallas. And who are you? You are people who have come from India. And the values that I have been describing, values of the Constitution, values of respect, values of humility, you carry them inside your heart. You have them in your blood. So when you came to this country, you did not come with arrogance. You came with humility. You did not come with hatred. You came with love and affection. And you did not come with disrespect, saying that, we are come to America and who are these people? We'll show them. No, you came with respect. So inside your heart is respect, is love, humility. And you are our ambassadors in one way. You're the bridge between these two unions. United States of America and Union of States, which is written in our Constitution. And so you have a very important role. Because the relationship between these two unions is going to determine the future of both these unions. The United States needs India, and India needs the United States. It's a fact. We cannot get away from it. So you have a very important role of being the bridge between your old home and your new home. Right? And in my view, you should travel freely between these two homes, and you should bring the idea of India to the United States and the ideas of the United States to India. Sam said that I had promised that I will go to Dallas. And it's true. But I would like to say that our trip was supposed to be longer, and we were supposed to go to New York, Washington, California, and Texas, and Chicago. And then we had to shorten the trip. And so I told Sam, look, I have promised the people of Dallas, so we have to go to Dallas. And so we included Dallas in our itinerary. And I think it was a very good idea. 100%. We'll come to Chicago. Love you. And we included Dallas. And I think it was a very good idea because Dallas is thriving. Texas is thriving. A lot of technology is moving here. And I can see that all of you are doing a tremendous job in raising the flag, raising the Indian flag here. So I'd like to thank you. And I'd like to also tell you that it's important that the ideas you carry of humility, of affection, of respect, you spread them in our community here and also among the people of India.